Angelina Jolie wins another round in explosive $164 million winery feud with Brad Pitt. The legal battle over the emblematic French estate added a new chapter in favor of Angelina Jolie, who received the backing of the courts. The judicial ruling not only grants the actress autonomy to manage her investments, but also strongly rejects Brad Pitt's defense team's attempt to access her private emails. Valued at $164 million, Château Miraval remains the epicenter of a dispute that has transcended economics to become a symbol of the struggle for post-divorce control. The long and winding legal road between Hollywood's most famous former couple has taken a definitive turn. Angelina Jolie secured a key victory before the French justice system, which ratified her right to sell her share of the historic Château Miraval. This ruling represents a significant blow to Brad Pitt, who for years attempted to block the transaction by alleging the existence of informal agreements that now, before the law, lack sufficient evidence. View source video. The resolution not only enables the transfer of the $164 million property to the firm Tenute del Mondo, but also protects the actress's privacy by denying access to her personal communications. Jolie's team celebrated the sentence, considering it part of her financial and personal sovereignty following a separation that seems to have no end. Rejecting intrusion, the battle for the emails. One of the tensest points of the process was Pitt's demand to obtain 126 private emails from Angelina Jolie, claiming they revealed irregularities in the 2022 sale. However, the court dismissed the petition, arguing that no solid basis existed to violate the actress's confidentiality. Paul Murphy, the attorney for the Maleficent star, indicated that Pitt's insistence on monitoring his client's communications reflects a pattern of control that the justice system decided not to endorse. Although the ruling leaves the door open for an appeal, for now, the scales tip heavily toward the Oscar winner's side. Miraval, an asset of luxury, history, and music. Château Miraval sits in the heart of Provence. This 17th-century estate not only produces one of the world's most prestigious rose wines, but also houses invaluable cultural history. The vineyard, 30 hectares dedicated to high-end viticulture. The studio, the legendary Miraval Studios, where Pink Floyd recorded parts of The Wall, and which today welcomes stars like Travis Scott. The value, acquired for $67 million in 2008, the estate has tripled its value thanks to renovations and international prestige. The sunset of a collaboration. This emblematic location served as the family refuge and the setting for their 2014 wedding. Currently, Angelina Jolie seeks to detach herself from the material ties linking her to her past with Pitt. However, the actor clings to the property as a personal and business project he refuses to share with third parties. For now, the justice system made it clear that individual autonomy prevails over unwritten pacts. While Château Miraval continues producing its famous wines under the French sun, its original owners continue writing the final paragraphs of a story that forever changed the concept of a high-profile divorce.